Setting up the jobs data. That's our topic for today's Backstage Pass. Stocks and bonds are down so far today. Mortgage rates opened up higher. This is the second day in a row that stocks and bonds have kind of slid towards the downside. And really what's going on is the markets are just pre-positioning. They're just setting up for the big BLS jobs data that's coming out tomorrow. It's an important report, and the reason why it's important is because jobs are a measure that the Fed is looking at to indicate whether or not the things that they're doing with the Fed fund rate to tighten the economy up is having any kind of effect. That's one of the measuring sticks that the Fed is looking for. So this jobs data is pretty important, and the markets recognize that as pretty important. But we had some other news that came out today. Initial jobless claims came out today. We'll throw the graphic up on the screen. And initial jobless claims showed that it increased by 29,000. This is a week-over-week data, up to 219,000. Continuing claims increased by 15,000 to 1.361 million. And although the level of claims are still low, this was a significant increase. And it's unclear how much this figure was impacted by Hurricane Ian. It's likely that most of the people that were impacted by Hurricane Ian, well, they haven't filed initial jobless claims yet, or they may not at all. But this initial jobless claims data could start to show some weakness or softening in the jobs market. And again, that's what the Fed is looking for, just as an indicator of what they're doing in the economy, if it's having an effect. And the BLS jobs report tomorrow, that's going to be a pretty important report. And really, again, the markets are pre-positioning to see, to look at that data and see what that data shows. Today, mortgage bonds are down 33 basis points. The 10-year yield is up 3 basis points. Mortgage rates yesterday, they jumped about 0.3%, closed at 6.95%. And that's about where they're coming in today. Mortgage bonds are a little bit better right now than the lows that they saw earlier in the day. So we could be seeing some repricing for the better. It just depends on how lenders see that move for the better in the bond market. But look, that's all the news that we have for today. As the BLS jobs report comes out tomorrow, we're going to be bringing that news to you as it comes and the reaction from the market. But that's all that we have for today. Remember, stay positive. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.